I mean, the people who were important to me in my life were my teachers at the Peretz Shule. Lola Kipnis was one of my favorites. He was pleasant. He was serious about the classes, but he wasn't strict in the sense, he wasn't rigid, I guess, maybe that's it. There was a particular teacher I had trouble with. You know, we passed notes. We did the same things that kids do in regular grammar school, or here grammar school, or what we called English school. You know, you had something you had to tell somebody, or you passed a note, or but he was tolerant. You know, he didn't let us interfere with the lecture or what we were learning, but he was somewhat tolerant more tolerant than one particular teacher whose class I refused to go to. As I got older and was more verbal, I made it clear to my parents that if I had to be in her class, and it caused me, actually, I had to switch schools. I went to a different branch in order to avoid her. That was the way I could continue at the Peretz Shule. And so I instead of walking then, I took a streetcar to get to Shule every night. But I just flat refused to be in her class. And I wasn't a kid that was disruptive. I was like other kids, you know, all of a sudden you have to tell your friends something, but not nasty or disruptive, but she was on, even when it wasn't me, she was on me. And that was the point. It said, no more. I'm out of school, or I have to leave. I have to go elsewhere.
When you would pass notes with friends in class, would they be in Yiddish, do you think?
No.
Oh.
No, hardly ever. They were definitely in English. You had to do it quickly.
Yes.
Yiddish writing is, it's not quick.
But you chatted with your friends at the Peretz Shule sometimes in Yiddish?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, we did. And even after, I had a particular friend who went right along with me. We're still in touch, although she still lives in Montreal. But when we speak Yiddish together, and she and I spoke Yiddish quite a lot.